Hi there, Katie's here. Did you know that now you can create signature certificate at every step of your workflow? It is super easy. Let me walk you through this.
First, head over to your workflow page and find the workflow where you want to set up signature certificates for specific steps. If you want to enable a signature certificate for the first step, click the invitation button at the top right corner of the workflow, then toggle on signature certificate. Simple, right? Then make sure you have got the right email in the email too. This links the certificate with your email settings when the invitation goes out. And don't forget to give your invitation a name. And hit save. Now, if you want to enable this for steps after the first one, go to the specific steps setting button, turn on Create Signature Certificate, and hit save. By default, this option is turned off for steps after the first, so you will need to manually switch it on for each one you want. Here is the cool part. If you turn on the signature certificate for the last step, it will automatically combine all the signatures from the earlier steps, as long as they are using the same PDF, and it even works if the final form doesn't have a signature field. Just remember, only steps using the same PDF will have their signatures merged. So, if the last two steps use the same PDF, you will get a nice combined signature from those steps. Let me show you how this magical feature works. First, publish your workflow. Then, send an invitation to the first people to fill. Now I will place 3 rows to finish all steps. At last step, you will see a certificate with all signatures. Here is the complete PDF. And here is the certificate with all signatures. Amazing, right?
And that's it. Now you can easily set up and manage your signature certificate in your workflow, including automatically merging them in the last step. Ready to give it a shot? Go ahead and set up your signature certificate now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.